I think one of the things that really stood out for me when I was looking at becoming part of USANA some time ago was really to understand what was the foundation for this company. And I was impressed to see that a microbiologist was the founder, not a businessman. And I was always impressed with that.
Towards po that 15 years, USANA's main goal is to fulfill and to work through the vision of Dr. Myron Wentz, which is to create the healthiest family on earth.
I would like to acknowledge Dr. Myron Wentz, a world-renowned scientist, microbiologist, and Albert Einstein awardee. He said, with the right combination of all the nutrients essential for life, I can maintain human cells in a healthy state almost indefinitely without any signs of degeneration.
Another factor that positively impacts the gut health is the physical activity, because regular exercise was found to promote the growth of certain species of or genuses of or strain of bacteria like Bifidobacterium and Akkermansia, nakakatangkis, ano?
Thank you for being here. It's a great privilege to have the opportunity to meet with you over the course of the day. I'm looking forward to sharing some time. Thank you.
Activities like this, the health symposiums, and our partnerships with health professionals, doctors, for example, like we have Dr. Alex Delgado here, who's been doing a lot of talks and education among other health professionals and even ordinary associates or customers that will talk about how they will be able to improve their health.
I see a lot of young people here who probably would say, Doc, I feel fine. I don't need supplements. Perfect. This is the best time for you to intervene and really modify your diet. Kung hindi pa sira yung katawan. Sabi ko nga, mas hinihimas pa natin yung kotse natin kaysa sa katawan natin. We give it so much attention. Kotse, pwedeng palitan. Yung katawan natin, hindi. Walang spare parts sa katawan natin.
Our company, USANA, we make clinical trials for products we are not required to do, but we want to show to the world to add to this data that dietary supplements work. It's not only guess. It's not a marketing hype. Okay? That's the only way you can prove to the scientific world that it works if you have data. Otherwise, it's a guess.
So fellow health professionals and health advocates, I challenge you and I encourage you to make optimal nutrition not just a choice, but a prescription towards a better health for a better quality of life.